And my soul from out that shadow that lies floating on the floor shall be lifted nevermore. Did you like that? Yeah, you like Poe. Oh, shoot. I left my copy of Bell Jar at home. Oh well, next time. But hey, I brought my guitar with me.
I'll sing you a lullaby if you'd like.
Yeah?
Okay. This is the end of the story. This is the end of the Well, I guess you guys should sleep now, huh? So sleep tight, don't let the deer ticks bite. You'll get Lyme. I'll be on the other branch if you need me. Night.